iNKT could actually see over $100 here this week, and I'm going to explain to you guys why here in today's video. As you all know, Friday we did get great news on the 2-year anniversary on the remission of its testicular cancer patient. As you all know, iNKT did get a breakthrough announcement here today, which actually propelled the stock here with major momentum. But that momentum is going to work in our favor in the likelihood of a short cover. And the data and numbers I'm about to show you guys is going to make things very obvious that iNKT has very great potential to actually see a major breakout here Monday. In fact, having a great chance to actually cross those $80 levels in the pre-market. Now, if we take a brief look and just check out the total short sale ratio, 12.92%. Now, seeing as though that the total short volume is 6.19 million, that is incredibly high for iNKT, and this is why. If we take a brief look and just check out the quotes, as you guys can see here, the share float is only 1.02 million, meaning it's only 1.02 million shares available of trade, which means a lot of these short sale positions have been turned over plenty of times. Just looking at this turnover ratio of 4,712%, and looking at that capital trend, seeing as though that outflow in favorment on those block orders is extremely high. Ladies and gentlemen, I do got a very great gut feeling that we do have a nice portion of short positions still lingering from Friday's trading. With that being said, if we do get the adequate buying pressure to take place here in the pre-market hours, then that for short cover at the open is very likely to happen. With only 1.02 million shares available to trade, ladies and gentlemen, it's not many shares to go around for those short sellers to actually cover their positions, and that's why we did actually get this major uptrend throughout the trading day, and we do expect to see the exact same thing take place here, more so at a higher magnitude due to the high total short volume that took place here on Friday. What we want to see take place is us actually cross those $60 levels here in the pre-market hours on Monday, and if that does take place, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that we're going to see a breakout from there. Now again, with not many shares available to trade, we tend to actually see 4 short covers take place here in a stock like this in the intraday. So depending on the price action throughout the trading day, that short cover may cause a short cover wave, and iNKT can get out of hand pretty darn quickly. We've seen this thing actually happen with stocks like RGC, low share float and a low market cap. I do feel as though that iNKT stands a very great chance to actually cross those $500 million market cap levels here this upcoming week, and the likelihood of the short covers taking place. But what you do want to be mindful, ladies and gentlemen, is a offering taking place. The company does have 3.99 million shares total, which gives them room to dilute current existing shareholders. Just in case share prices pop like this, you tend to actually see companies, especially therapeutic stocks, take advantage and raise capital so they can keep things afloat. So be very mindful of that, ladies and gentlemen, if you're currently still holding iNKT. And for those that was a part of the Discord, you actually caught this thing in real time. I first alerted iNKT for the entry price of $7.52 over in our Discord server back on July 10th, and as you guys can see here, hitting that high of $76. That is taking $10,000 and turning it into over $100,000, ladies and gentlemen, just in one single trade in less than 24 hours. And again, that is what you call a home run play, and you too can get my alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that comment section below, and click that pinned Discord link that you see, and it is also pinned in the live chat as well. So again, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to the Discord and check out that MEM testimonial section, so you will see firsthand the type of money that the Making Easy Money members are making, thanks to, again, these accurate in-house analyst alerts. And far as iNKT goes, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that the stock stands a very great chance to cross those $100 levels here this upcoming week, and stands a very great chance to actually test those $80 levels here Monday. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.
Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. You'll become a fool. Let your learning lead to action. You can become wealthy.